भैया एक प्लेट देना। चाचा ये मैच छोड़ दो, इंडिया हारेगा, हमने कह दिया ना। हमारा बॉलिंग अटैक और एक घटिया बैटिंग, सबका फॉर्म आने में और पिच कंडीशन।
कभी कभार लाइफ में हार मान लेनी पड़ती है, पर जीतना है तो खेलो प्ले स्पॉट पर। बनो खेल का नया बादशाह।
Hardik, just the way your series is gone, the tour is gone. At some level, it feels wrong that you might be on a flight back home in 2 days' time. So, if they ask you to stay back for the test, like, have you even given it any thought at all? Play as a specialist batsman, maybe?
It's a different ball game, I feel. I think I need to be. I mean, I don't mind, but at the end of the day, it's the call is on the management and everyone. So yeah, I don't think I can say much about it.
Yeah, hi. I think just on the last over, when Daniel Sams actually went around the wicket, did you feel like that was a huge confidence boost for you, given you hit that's your power side on the even if the boundary was long?
I mean, on hindsight, I feel that they wanted me to hit on the biggest side because it would have not made much difference if they would have gone wide because the boundaries were pretty short. So for me, it was not about what they are doing. It was about what I can do and what beliefs I had. And I think I've seen and been in situation many times where I always felt that I can back it, and no matter where it comes, it's matter of hitting two big shots, and which today it came.
Thanks.
Hold on.
Hello.
Virat Kohli just mentioned that you are on way to becoming a great finisher for India, and then he's looking at you as a finisher for the Indian team in limited overs. But you said during the ODI series that you are trying to play more as a batsman, trying to take the game deep. So I mean, going by that, would you actually prefer to bat at number 4, or are you happy playing as a finisher?
I mean, generally, to be honest, it does not matter for me where I bat. It's the situation. I've always played and I mean, develop my game in a way where I can play situations and the position. If the time comes that I have to bat, I don't mind going. If time comes where I have to finish the game, I have to do that job as well. So whatever the team requires, I always believe as a cricketer you have to improve time, and I take some time, but I think things are coming pretty well now.
Hello, Hardik, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
हार्दिक, जितना आप अभी तक खेला है इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट, ये आपका बेस्ट जोन है जितना बैटिंग कर रहा है, द कामनेस, मैच अवेयरनेस. Do you feel you're in the best zone of your life in terms of batting?
I mean, it can be, it cannot be as well, because I've batted in past as well. I've batted in a different position. It's just that right now it's getting highlighted because we are always top heavy. We've always seen India winning games when the top 3 score runs. And I think this is for the first time we have got opportunity where we have to step it up and do it. And yeah, I think I'm in pretty good zone. I'm not getting too over with the situation or doing well. I'm trying to keep it. For me, it's my job, which I just did well. I now actually, I think with time, I don't think I'm getting too excited about it.
Hardik, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You always said that you admired the West Indian style of playing. How much of that today's finish was the Caribbean style of cricket? And if you were to pick one West Indian great, I mean, who would you have kind of, today's knock would have been similar to the past West Indian greats?
I mean, I don't think I have to think much. It's gonna be Paulie. He has done many times for his country, for the daily movement. So for me, the inspiration has been him. I've been lucky few of his knocks in the past, and yeah, this was one of those where it just came off. West Indian style or Indian style, it does not matter. Indian India born.
Mukherjee
Sarji went.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, now you are there.
Okay, so Hardik, I would like to ask you one thing that you just played IPL back in Dubai, though the pitches are different compared to Dubai. Now you are in Australia now, but do you think playing 14 matches in IPL, for your case it was 16? So do you think that that has helped you and the entire team to perform better in the T20 series?
I mean, absolutely. We all have played cricket, and we all franchisee-wise. I've always felt that in franchisees, you have to step it up because it's a professional sport. I mean, people take it as professional. Here, it's always the love for the country comes, and you feel more pressure and all. But I think just that because people have done so well in this last edition of IPL, people have just carried that confidence here. And for me as well. I felt that I was batting throughout the IPL. I was batting well, and for me, now my biggest goal, which actually during lockdown, I always wanted to focus on one thing, that I wanted to finish games where it matters the most. That was my plan, and that was the learning throughout. And it was all the talk between I and Krunal was always that I want to finish games when it matters the most. I actually don't get much bothered if I don't score or I score runs. It's just that when I feel that it's my time to do it, and if the team wins, that's the most. That's the most happiest.
Thank you so much, Hardik. Thank you.
सुनंदन सर
हार्दिक, खुश तो तुम बहुत हो गए आज। मैं एक बात पूछना चाहता था कि आपकी बैटिंग, श्रेयस की बैटिंग या राहुल की बैटिंग, शिखर की बैटिंग सभी ने बढ़िया किया है, लेकिन नटराजन के बारे में बोलो भाई। 4 ओवर में कोई 2 विकेट निकालता है, 20 रन देता है, तो 120 मनाने वाली बात है ये।
मैंने एक्चुअली सर जी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, प्रेजेंटेशन में वही बोला दैट आई एक्चुअली थॉट कि वो मैन ऑफ द मैच बनेगा, लेकिन एक्चुअली बोलते ना बैट्समैन की गेम हो गई है। सो लेकिन हाँ, जैसे आपने बोला, जहाँ सब जन इकोनॉमी हायर साइड थी, उसने एक्चुअली थोड़ा ब्रेक लाया ऑस्ट्रेलिया की इनिंग में। मुझे उसके ही जो 10 रन या 15 रन उसने जो कम दिए, वो ही मुझे लगा वो डिफरेंस था। बिकॉज जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया का जैसा स्टार्ट मिला और जहां वो लोग एंड किए, मेरा फर्स्ट थिंग जब मैं ड्रेसिंग रूम में आया, मैंने सबको वही बोला कि वो लोग 10 या 15 रन शॉर्ट है, अगर अपने नॉर्मल अच्छा क्रिकेट खेला तो जीत जाएंगे। एंड एक्चुअली इन द एंड वही मैटर किया।
अमोल कराडकर।
Yeah, hi, Hardik. Just to take on from there with regard to Natarajan, as in with the kind of struggle he has had so far, he just doesn't seem to be bogged down having joined the team. How much do you think is the time that you all have spent for almost a month ever since reaching Australia? How much has that factored in that regard?
Sorry, I didn't understand your question. Sorry, my bad.
Natarajan, with the kind of background he has had, with the kind of
Yeah.
struggles, there is a danger of being bogged down when you eventually get there, right? So
Yeah.
how much has the time the squad has spent together in Australia for so long, how much has that helped him? And can you just give us an insight into how much he has grown as a bowler purely?
Yes. Obviously it makes difference when you have initially when 14 days when we started practicing and all, it was only team together. So for us, to be honest, I'm just so impressed with him because he's someone he keeps it simple, and I like people who keeps things simple. They don't complicate too much, and he's one of those where if you tell him Nattu, you have to go Yorker, he goes and bowls a Yorker. When you tell him bowl wide slow balls, he goes and bowls that. So he's been actually fantastic. As you said, coming from the place where he has come, and the opportunity that came as a bowler got picked into the side, and this shows character, right? That when you actually it's learning for lots of people. If you keep things simple in life, it can benefit you in lots of ways, and he's one of the examples.
That was the final question. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Be safe.